All right, this is a screenshot from SolarLearn that I've been asked to walk you through, and it's a great example, and it really illustrates how we are going to traverse arrays, calculate sums, do a lot of the basic components of solving these problems that we'll be looking at over the next few weeks. So I don't like the space here, and usually I keep the brackets right on the int. But look, I've got an int array called myArray. It's got 4 items, but remember, this is item 0, 1, 2, 3. So because of 0 indexing. So myArray.length is 4. The last address or index is 3. Okay, I've got a counter, sum. Oh, all right, super duper. It's starting it at 0. And now I'm creating a loop. So the first, there are 3 parts of a traditional for loop. It's declaration, condition, and then increment. So I'm looking at the semicolons. I know what I'm seeing. All right, normal for loop. As x is starting at 0, we're going to go as long as we're under myArray.length. That's cool because the length is 4. Last one is 3. So let's stay under it. We're going up at 1 at a time. And so each time at sum, this counter, we're going add to its current value, that's the plus equal, the value of my array at x. And so x is initially 0, so it'll start at 6. So after the first pass, sum will be 6. And then it will go, x will go up by 1, and then its address is my array at 1. And that is 42. And so 6 added to 42 is 48. You get the idea. So now it'll keep on traversing, going through, and each time adding to sum. And at the end of the loop, then we print out the value of sum, which is so that's how we use for loop to traverse an array and create a counter. And right now we're printing it out, but very often if we're building a function, we would then return that value. So that way I could call this thing and maybe pass an array. I might not need to declare it. It would just be a little spell waiting for me. I can give it an array and it'll give it back the sum. That's a handy little widget to have if you're building an app. Okay, good stuff. Let me know if you have any questions.